What is going on, guys? Welcome to Callisto's Live YouTube channel. This is going to be a quick one today, just going over yesterday's trade on USD JPY. If I bring up the Telegram real quick, got 9 people in here now, very nice. So you can see, I know it wasn't UJ, sorry, it was GBP AUD, right? So we can see here, we'll look to enter GBP AUD buys here in 1 minute if next 15-minute candle creates a nice bottom wick and then breaks the previous 15-minute high, right? So the 1 hourly, right? This is it. Where, you can see the move up on the left-hand side over here. We kind of retrace, right? Create a support and then price. This is pre-London. Price rockets up here from the 1 hour. You can see there's 1 minute for the 1 hour close. That's what I said in 1 minute, right? So I wanted then that 15-minute candle to create a bit of a bottom wick and then start pushing bullish past this 15-minute candle right here, right? So in 1 minute, a new 15-minute candle will open and we'll see that move up. But you can see this pattern, right? Strong bullish move on the 1 hour. We can see the bullish candles, pullback, continuation right here. So then you see the aftermath right here, right? So I got around about 14 pips, which is decent. But I was looking for a lot more, obviously. So I moved my stops to break even at that point. Once this 15-minute candle closed, and then you can see that it hit break even after that, which is fine. So you can see, so about 14 pips profit and move stops to break even. So break even trade so far today. And then again today, I've obviously, here we've got this. So yeah, that was yesterday's trade. If we, I've actually, so I decided to actually cut GA out because I don't really want to be trading 2 GBP pairs. But you can see there's the candle right there. And this was the move right here, right? Boom. 13, 14 pips. But I didn't, I've cut that out because I don't want to trade 2 GBP pairs. So I've got 1 GBP pair, gold, 1 euro pair, and then a USD pair as well, right? So these are the 4 pairs that I'll be trading from here on out. And if anything, if that changes, I'll let you guys know. But mainly it's GJ and gold, right? And then euro USD and USD JPY. If there's nothing going on with gold or GJ, then I will trade euro USD and USD JPY. But let's take a look, right? So we can see currently, right, we've had this nice move up. This is the 15-minute time frame here on the right hand side. We've had this nice move up to the left hand side. Okay, boom, right here, nice move up. Now we've retraced, and what do we see here, right? We can see that price has created a support over here yesterday, and now we've bounced off that again pre-London, and we're starting to flip bullish here. If we take a look at the 1 hour time frame, we can see right, that this level right here, resistance, retest, the support, continuation, and now we've come down and tapped on that as well here today. So this is a nice little zone for price to bounce up here on GJ. So I will be looking at buys here in 23 minutes time if we can get a nice closure here on this 1 hour time frame, right? We've got a massive rejection wick to the bottom, and now it's pushing bullish, which is a good indication price is going to bounce off this zone. So we'll be looking at that on GJ. Gold, I was looking at buys here on gold, but now obviously I'm not. We can see, right, we had a nice bullish candle, right? Price is pushing down, and then we get that nice bullish engulfing candle, right? Bounced off of this previous zone right here. And we saw that nice move on the 15-minute, right? All these bullish candles, and then we had a bearish candle pullback, and then I wanted this candle to close bullish again above these areas, but it didn't. And now it's coming back down, so there's no trade there on gold. Euro USD as well, I was looking at buys again. Same kind of concept, right? We can see these zones to the left-hand side. Price bounced, nice bullish candle. And we can see again that nice move on the 15-minute, bullish, pushing price up. Then we get the bearish pullback, and then we had another bullish candle. But obviously now this 15-minute candle has broke the previous 15-minute low here now. So there's no trade here on Euro USD. And these were trades during Asian session, as you can see, which I don't usually take. If the setup looks decent, then I potentially will, but mainly only on probably GJ or gold. I don't really trade Asian session with Euro USD or USD JPY. But yeah, this worked out very nicely, and there was also one on gold as well, which worked out really nicely. 50 pips there on gold. Obviously, I didn't take them. Same on Euro USD, 15 pips. But yeah, USD JPY as well is also looking decent for some buys. If we can get a nice closure in, like I said, 21 minutes, targets would be up at this level up here, previous highs. We do have to potentially look out for this right here. As you can see, price is currently testing that now. But I believe price will break through that. You can see we can see structure to the left hand side, right? Like all in here, this is all structure that price could bounce off, which it looks like it has. And now price has tested in this resistance, but I will look to buy, like I said, up until these zones up here in 20 minutes. If this candle closes something similar like this, right? Because you can see we've got the move up, the pullback, the continuation, a big rejection wick to the bottom, potentially off of this zone right here. So yeah, GJ and USD JPY, I will be looking for buys in the next 20 minutes if we can get strong 1 hour candle closures. If GJ closes like this, right, then I won't be taking any trades. But if USD JPY closes like this, then I'll be definitely looking at some trades here on these pairs. So that's it for today. Just a quick one. Break even trade yesterday. If you want to join the Telegram, the link will be down below. Like I said, this is where I post all my trades. Currently got 9 people in here. I only created this 2 days ago. But like I said, I post it before I enter, right? What I'm looking for, as you can see right here, this was before and then this was after. And I post my thoughts, things like that. If you want to check that out, the link will be down below. And also, yeah, I will be, at some point, I will be giving away this, right? Magic keys, brand new. I don't really use it. It is a really good device, but personally, I don't use it. I just like to manually do it in MT5, but I will be giving away that with everything that it comes with in the original box, and I will send that to you wherever you are in the world. But that does require us to have 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. So get subscribing and get everyone you know to subscribe, and you will be in the running to win that, right? If you're interested in that device. So yeah, Telegram, Magic Keys, sub to the channel, sub to the Telegram. Happy days, and I'll see you in the next video, probably tomorrow. Yeah, going over what happened today during London session. All right, peace out, guys.